Hey team, JT Accessible here. Today we're going to talk about Unclear Hyperlink Text Warnings in Word for Windows 2016 Accessibility Checker. Warning: Unclear hyperlink text. Rule: hyperlink text is meaningful. Checker verifies: link text makes sense as standalone information, providing accurate information about the destination target. Why fix? Based on the text, users decide whether to click a hyperlink. The text should provide clear information about the link destination. In the example, the link https://www.tetris-best.com/lotus123/main/public/private/server/client/menu.html doesn't provide the user with much information. That's a soup sandwich. Correcting unclear hyperlink text. Right-click the hyperlink. Select Edit Hyperlink from the context menu. The Edit Hyperlink dialog box will appear. In the Text-to-Display field, remove the hyperlink and replace it with clear information about the link definition. When finished, click OK to accept the changes.